Hi folks, welcome to another Stall13.com video. Even though this isn't about horses, it kind of is, because most horse stables, most people that have acreages have some type of a tractor. This is one of the tractors here on the home place that we use to maintain trails and take care of fence lines. This is a full-size ranch, so we have lots of equipment. But I want to talk about tractors because people don't realize in an emergency, especially in the wintertime, a tractor could save your horse's life. If you have a storm, big trees come down, if you have a lot of snow and you need to open up a barn, if you need to get a trailer, a truck unstuck, whatever the case may be, you always want to make sure that your larger pieces of equipment are there when you need them. One of the things that people are remiss about on tractors is they figure that they'll start every time. That's not necessarily the case. You want to make sure that the radiator is full of coolant. You want to make sure that the batteries stay charged. If you don't start your tractor about once a week and let it idle for about 5 or 10 minutes, whether it's gas or diesel, I promise you the batteries are going to go dead. Whether it's a newer tractor or an older tractor, they're just really hard on batteries. Batteries in tractors are only good for about 2 years tops, even if they're an expensive battery. So you want to put a trickle charger on this battery. They cost about $20 to $30 at auto parts stores and other types of large stores. And you just plug them in the wall, you hook them up to your cables, and they just keep the battery charged for you. That's very important. You want to make sure that you check your oil, you check your hydraulic fluids in your tractors. And when you first start a tractor, unless it's spring or summer, on the cooler nights of fall, and especially in the wintertime, your hydraulic fluid in your tractor is going to be about the consistency of peanut butter. You're not going to get the bucket to move, you're not going to get a blade or an attachment on the back to move. Even the steering is going to be a little stiff. Tractors are a little different than automobiles. They need to be warmed up. That fluid needs to circulate through the entire machine and get warm. When I start this tractor, and I am going to start it because we need to start it, you're going to notice that things move real slow, just real hardly moving, because this tractor hasn't been started in about 4 days since I moved some hay and I actually pulled somebody out of the mud. And so it's cold, and hopefully it'll start. All right, come on, get up here. Well, as you can see, she goes everywhere I go. All right, we're going to start this tractor. When we start the tractor, we're going to zoom in. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me or not, but we'll try. I'll keep this tractor idling as low as I can. Hopefully, it'll start. Okay, let's start. Okay. Notice the steering. I'm moving the steering wheel really fast, but it's moving really slow. That hydraulic fluid is real stiff and hard. When I lower this front bucket, it lowers just fine. That's about normal. But watch the speed when I try to move the bucket. Look how slow the bucket's moving. The bucket's barely moving. When I try to curl it, it barely wants to curl. Then, when I want to raise this arm back up, look, I've got it all the way pushed up and it's barely going up. The hydraulic fluid is extremely cold right now. Real stiff. Poor little tractor is really cold. And tractors run a little cooler than automobiles, and so you're going to have a while before you get things all the way up. It's just going really super slow. The thing to remember here, folks, is you always want to make sure that your tractor's in neutral. You don't want to intensely drive off. Now, to focus on the back of the tractor, you'll notice when I lift out against it, look how slow that thing's lifting up in the air. Barely rising off the ground. That's because the hydraulics are really slow all over the tractor. Now this is not something that you want to have in a tractor in an emergency. So if you think you're going to have to move a round bale of hay, get some done, or maybe something's going to go wrong, we're going to want to make sure that you take ample time to get this tractor warm so that it does turn on, and it does operate correctly, because otherwise you're not going to go anywhere in a tractor that's ice cold on a cold winter's morning. All this stuff is important. You want to rev up the motor a little bit, get a little higher RPM. When you have those higher RPMs, it helps circulate all this fluid through the tractor. All these things factor in on whether your tractor is going to stay running or not. One of the biggest mistakes people make with tractors, big or small, gas or diesel, doesn't matter. They don't let them run long enough. You're going to let this tractor run for about 15-20 minutes. If you just start it and you don't let it warm up, that's actually worse for the tractor than if you never would have started it at all. This has been another Stall13.com video. Take care of yourself.